In the first two examples, we are going to throw a mix into the previous laws and properties we have just learned. In example 12, notice we have a negative fractional index with a mixed fraction base. We really want to take care of the negative sign of the index. So, the first thing we want to do is to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Then, we flip the fraction and remove the negative signs. And square root the individual numbers using the fourth law. With that, we will get 3 over 4 as the answer. Let's move on quickly to the next example. In example 13, using the first law and the second law, we can simply just combine all the indices together. Using the fractional index property, we can easily evaluate the value to be 4 to the power of 3, which is equals to 64. Alright, let's try something slightly more complex, shall we? Take a look at the next example. In example 14, you do not always have to remove the negative indices immediately, especially if the question is not presented in fractional form. You can absolutely do it in fractional form as well. The choice is really up to you. As long as you are planning based on the laws and the properties, you will get to the answers. We will solve this question without the use of fraction form. Firstly, using the third law, you can do this. And then using the second law, simplify the expression. Next, we group the same variables together such that we get x to the power of minus 1 times y to the power of 3, which will give us the answer of y to the power of 3 over x. Let's do one more. Here in example 15, the question is given in fractional form. We shall then choose to evaluate this using fractional algebra. First, we get rid of the negative indices. Then, flip the second term to change the division to multiplication and open up the brackets with indices. Lastly, we use the first and second law to simplify and get the answer.